Hello friends, welcome back. In this tutorial, we will study about Diffie-Hellman key exchange algorithm. The purpose of this algorithm is to enable two users to securely exchange a key, which can then be used for subsequent encryption of messages. In this scheme, there are two publicly known numbers. First, a prime number b and alpha. Here, alpha is a primitive root in the group G, which consists of set zp star and an operation that is multiplication modulo p. Now suppose users A and B wish to exchange a key. Then users A and B must know the value of P and alpha. The value of numbers P and alpha must be known to both users A and B. Now see what the user A will do. User A will select a random integer xa which is less than P and compute ya using this formula. Ya is equal to alpha raised to power xa mod P. Then user A keeps the value of xa private and makes the value of ya available publicly to the other side. Now, what the user B will do? User B will select a random integer xb which is less than p and compute yb using this formula, that is yb is equal to alpha raised to power xb mod p. Now user B will keep the value of xb private and makes the value of yb available publicly to the other side. Now user A will compute the key as yb raised to power xa mod p and user B will compute the key as ya raised to power xb mod p. Now see here, these two calculations will produce the identical results. This one yb raised to power xa mod p and ya raised to power xb mod p. These two calculations will produce the identical results, as you can see here. Now see how the user A computed the key yb raised to power xa mod p, right? Now what is yb? Yb is equal to alpha raised to power xp mod p. So when we put the value of yb in this equation, we will get this, right? Now here you can see what we have: alpha raised to power xp mod p, right, whole raised to power xa mod p, and it will be equal to alpha raised to power xp raised to power xa mod p, and it will be equal to alpha raised to power xp into xa mod p, and it will be equal to alpha raised to power xa raised to power xp mod p, and it will be equal to, according to the modular arithmetic, alpha raised to power xa mod p raised to power xp mod p. And you can see here that alpha raised to power xa mod p is equal to ya. So it will be equal to ya raised to power xp mod p. And this is the key which is computed by the user P. So as you can see here that the key computed by user A is same as the key computed by user B. So in this way, user A and user B have exchanged a secret value. So this is how this algorithm works, and this is how it enables two users to securely exchange a key which can then be used for subsequent encryption of messages.